Sophie, I got 2 tickets. Come on, everybody.
Welcome.
I have tickets.
No,
Why?
because I can't see.
Why?
Because I don't have my glasses.
Let's love sign. Glasses. Glasses. You sign. Glasses. Good. Glasses.
I can't see.
Wait, I have a delivery for you. Glasses.
No, those glasses are for drinking. Thank you.
Woohoo! We're going on the train. Let's go! Wave at some people! I love the train!
Sophie, what can you see from the train? A tree? A river?
I'm tired.
Train's coming. Yep.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Oh, Sophie, let's get the platform tidy for our special guest.
Oh, our special guest is coming here. We need to tidy up.
Let's love sign. Tidy up. Tidy up. You sign. Tidy up. Good. Tidy up.
We need to tidy up.
Don't worry, I have things to make it nice.
Oh! Aha! In there. Thank you, and this one. Hey! That's my shoe!
Sophie, this picnic we made is amazing. Our special guest is going to love it. Wow!
Welcome, Seamus.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Did you make this sandwich? Wow, you did. Wow. Thank you. It's amazing.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Can I have one?
This one.
I made a mess. Ugh.
It's so sandy.
Cheers, Mr. Train Driver. This is the way we eat our cake.
Eat our cake, eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake. Eat our cake, eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake all day long. Well, it's time to go. See everyone, bye!
Boy, where are you going with all the sandwiches?
Bye! Bye!
Bye, Joe.
Bye, Joe.
Bye!
Bye, Sam.